Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omo Merrily. Please subscribe to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a softbox. So, I tried ordering a softbox online or from Amazon, but the shipping cost to Nigeria is like me getting 3 softboxes. So I decided to make my own after watching lots of YouTube videos. Well, so I just did my own video on how to make it. So it is actually quite affordable. I'm not sure I spent up to 4,000 naira. So you can actually make your own softbox. Let me show you without my softbox how the light in of my room is. See, light in my room is not good at all, so I decided to make my own softbox. So guys, if you want to know how to make your own softbox, please keep watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. Yes, oh yeah, just subscribe. Thank you. I started by cutting the cardboard into 2 different sizes of trapezoids, the big side and the small side. I use a cutter to cut it into this because it gives it a more small edge, smoother than a scissors would, but you could always use a scissors. Then I take my UHU glue and my aluminum foil. I place the UHU glue all over the back of the cardboard and then use a small cardboard to evenly distribute the glue all over the cardboard. Then I take my aluminum foil and place it on it. I do this for the remaining 3 trapezoids and then take a scissors to cut out the shape. The aluminum foil serves as the inside of the softbox. Then I use the black tape to join all the sides together, a big side to a small side and a big side and then a small side, giving it the rectangular shape. I go 2 or 3 times with the black tape both inside and out to make it firm. You can always go more than that. If you feel your softbox is not strong enough. Then I tape the edges. I cover the back of the softbox with the cardboard, but I make a hole inside it for the lamp holder. Then I use the aluminum foil to cover it up. Inserting the lamp holder into it, and then just tip it down to hold it in place. Then I just put bulb into the lamp holder. Connect the wire to the plug using scissors to cut the wire, exposing the negative and positive. And joining the negative to the negative, then the positive to a positive. Use black tape to cover each of them individually, then joining them together. Using black tape to just cover the black, and then using it to cover the red. Then covering the entire joint opened, so to avoid electric shock. Plugging it into the socket to check if it works, which it does. So I just take a tracing paper. It serves as the diffuse paper for the softbox. Cut it into the right shape and tape it to the box. So this is the final result. I did 2 soft boxes. You can do yours too. So guys, you see, it is quite easy and very affordable to make your own. Please comment, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.